For the first few 100 million years after the Big Bang, there were no stars and no galaxies. Cosmologists refer to this as the cosmic dark ages, a hot, dense soup of drifting hydrogen and helium. According to the standard model of how our universe assembled, gravity is a patient engine. It takes billions of years of slow, methodical work to pull that raw dust and gas together into the massive cosmic structures we see today. Astronomers designed the James Webb Space Telescope specifically to peer into that ancient fog and observe this slow, quiet assembly process. Before JWST launched, the math was clear. Finding a highly organized, massive structure near the absolute edge of time was considered physically impossible. During a meeting of the American Astronomical Society, a new set of JWST data provided the coordinates for a structure that defied the standard model. Astronomers locked on to a gargantuan galaxy cluster called XL-SSC 122. It sits a staggering 10.4 billion light-years away, meaning we see it as it existed just 3.3 billion years after the Big Bang, at a time when the universe was only starting to piece itself together. This diagram illustrates exactly what XL-SSC 122 is doing to its environment. It is so massive and tightly packed that its gravity is literally warping the geometry of space itself, bending the light around its dark matter core. A tightly organized dark matter core this heavy simply shouldn't exist this early. The universe somehow managed to build a skyscraper before it even manufactured the bricks. Because a hyper-evolved cluster was already present at cosmic noon, scientists pushed JWST past that cluster to look straight toward the absolute edge of time. A team at MIT's Kavli Institute analyzed existing data and identified an object appearing in infrared, but vanishing at shorter wavelengths. They pointed the telescope right at it and confirmed a new record holder for the farthest observed galaxy, MOMS 14. This calendar maps the 13.8 billion-year history of the universe. Spectrographs confirmed MOMS 14 has a redshift of 14.4, meaning its light left just 280 million years after the Big Bang. If the Big Bang happens January 1st, MOMS 14 is fully formed by January 7th. For context, the dinosaurs don't arrive until December 25th, and modern humans appear in the last 10 minutes of December 31st. We built a telescope capable of seeing a structure that existed when the universe was roughly 2% of its current age. MOMS 14 presents an immediate physical contradiction. It is tiny, about 400 times smaller than the Milky Way, yet it blazes with a luminosity that early galaxy formation models cannot account for. This bar chart displays the chemical anomaly the team uncovered. We expect a very low ratio in the early universe, but spectrographs found a massive spike in nitrogen relative to carbon. That specific chemical signature is familiar. We see it in globular clusters, which are ancient stellar structures that usually take billions of years to evolve. MOMS ZF14 is part of a growing pattern. Since starting operations in 2022, JWST keeps finding early galaxies too bright, too massive, and too chemically mature for the timeline we're seeing. Then there is the mystery of cosmic anisotropy. Recent large-scale studies suggest that rather than rotating in random directions, a majority of these early galaxies are spinning in the exact same direction. This synchronized spin, alongside the maturity of MOMS ZF14, creates a pattern that a random, chaotic Big Bang struggles to explain. To solve these anomalies, physicists are exploring a radical idea. What if our universe exists inside a larger structure? This concept is known as Schwarzschild cosmology. It hypothesizes that our entire observable universe is actually the interior of a black hole born from a much older parent universe. Under classical theories of general relativity, matter collapsing into a black hole is crushed down into a singularity, a single point of infinite density. But extended theories introduce torsion, a property of extreme particle spin. At absolute maximum density, this twisting generates a repulsive force, preventing a singularity. Instead of collapsing, the core violently rebounds in a big bounce, creating a new, self-contained space inside. If the Big Bang was actually the rapid recoil of a spinning black hole core, that parent rotation transfers directly into the new space. This accounts for why we see a unified galactic spin across our cosmos. It also explains how early galaxies formed so quickly. The immense information and entropy from the parent black hole act as a blueprint, allowing structures to reach chemical maturity long before standard gravity models say they should. JWST's findings are guiding us away from broken models and toward a reality of self-replicating universes. We are left looking at the most distant objects ever seen, wondering, is our cosmic timeline misunderstood, or do we live inside a black hole?